Hey everybody, and welcome back to another lecture with Coding with Roby. And in today's lecture, we're going to be going over dictionaries. Now, a dictionary is always going to have a key and a value. And the key is going to specify the value. And it's probably best just for me to show you an example of a dictionary. User underscore dictionary, which is equal to curly brackets. And inside the curly brackets, we're going to create a key and a value. The first key is going to be username, and then colon, and then the value, coding with Roby. So the key is username, and the value is coding with Roby. Let's create some more key value pairs. So let's do comma, and then the key is going to be name, colon, Eric, and then comma, and then key of age, colon, 32. And now let's print the dictionary by saying print user dictionary. Let's save the application and then right click run dictionary. And we can see that we get username coding with Roby, name Eric, age 32 in curly brackets as one single data value as the response. However, if we just want to get one of these key value pairs and not all three of them, we can specify this by saying .get username. If we save the application now and right click run application, we can see that we just get coding with Roby as the response, which is just the value. So here we're saying of user dictionary, let's get the value of this key, which is username. We can add to a dictionary by using brackets and then a value. So let's start by saying user dictionary brackets quotation marks married is equal to true. If I remove the .get username and now save and rerun the application, we can see we get username coding with Roby, name Eric, age 32, with the married status of true. And you can also find the length of the user dictionary and see how many values are inside by using the length functionality. If we save this and rerun the application, we can see we get 4, and that's because we have the username, we have the name, we have the age, and then we just added married to the dictionary. And now let's pop our age. So we can say user dictionary.pop, and as the parameter type in age, and we can print the user dictionary. If we save this and rerun it, we can see that we just get username and name as the response and the age has been removed. We can clear a dictionary by saying user dictionary.clear. If we save this and rerun the application, we're going to get just an empty curly bracket as there is no data within the actual dictionary. And we can also delete the entire dictionary by using the del before the variable. However, if we run this now, we're going to get an error, and that's because user dictionary is completely deleted while we try and print it. But if we remove the print and we try and run it, it will work as the user dictionary is created and then it is deleted. You can also loop through dictionaries by saying for x in user dictionary print x. If we save this application and rerun it, we can get username, name, and age. And again, when we loop through, we are only getting the keys, not the values. If we want to be able to also get the values, we need to add a new variable within our loop, which is y, and then dot items, and then print x and y. If we run the application now, we're going to get username, coding with Roby, name, Eric, and age 32. And now you have to do something a little extra for dictionaries when you want to copy them. So let's say we have user dictionary 2, which is equal to user dictionary. And we just want to pop away the age on user dictionary 2. However, if we now print user dictionary 1, age will also be gone. And as we can see, we just get the username and name back and age is gone, even though we didn't pop the age on user dictionary, we only did it on user dictionary 2. And the reason this happens is how Python does memory management with dictionaries. And the way we can fix this, instead of just saying user dictionary, we need to say .copy. If we now rerun the application, we can see that user dictionary 1 has age, but user dictionary 2's age has been removed. Dictionaries are very, very important to use within Python, and key value pairs are an amazing data collection feature that allows us to have extreme power when processing logic. This wraps up dictionaries in Python, and I will see you in the next video.